launch. Those of you who are seated at the back, you may please. Our chief guest this evening, Mr. Javed Akhtar, thank you very much, sir, for being here with us. And the author to the title, So What? Please put your hands together for Sonal Sonkavade.
Also, he didn't know it till now, and I thought that he accepted my invitation because I am a Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax.
Avalanche of unavoidable events. A tormentor who plays with her dignity, a set of obscene videos, a volley of court cases, and constant public scrutiny. In conversation, you will find out more about the protagonist, more about the book, and of course the philosophy. But right now, let's give the first opportunity to the author of the title. Welcome, Sonal. May I invite you to please lead us on?
Yeah.
थोड़े से कुछ हमें बताइए कि.
Yeah, I'll just tell you about my protagonist Pari. So what is all about Pari's journey from turmoil to transformation, from turbulence to trophies. So what, Pari is a victim, and it's a journey of Pari as a victim to survivor. Sleeps, she doesn't know how to take care of her finances, she doesn't know many things. Even if some lady is taking care of her own luggage, we are like, oh my god, I pity her. Correct? Because we don't accept her in that role at all. अगर कोई किसी औरत का पति या भाई या anybody who is staying with her, if she is staying alone, we don't accept it. So that way, Pari.
First of all, congratulations to Sonal, and I believe a lot of points which Javed Saab said, and the story of Pari, which has a complete sense of meaning, the unwavering dreams, simple expectations, the life, and it is an amazing book. I would recommend everyone to pick up this book and read it. I had a privilege to read it before, and I am so glad. I had read it twice, basically, in the sequence, and it's just amazing. I would like to congratulate, and this is going to bring a big shift in thought processes for...
She's a friend of mine, and congratulations, Sonal, for writing such a beautiful story. So what? So when I read it, to be very honest, 2-3 days, I just couldn't write anything because it's such a deep story, and being into the world of emotions, I actually felt
the book itself. And moreover, आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं. मैं थोड़ा लेट आया आपको सुनने के लिए. धर्म जी, would you like to say something? कहानी बहुत सादी है, मतलब वो हर दूसरे तीसरे घर की कहानी है भारत की, और हम जिस तरह के सेट ऑफ सिस्टम से अपने बच्चों को बढ़ाते हैं और उनको पालते हैं, और फिर जब वो जाकर एक उम्र तक आते हैं तब तक वो सारा कुछ.
Yes, I didn't know that she is the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. Otherwise, I would have definitely come. But I came because I saw this book written by a lady about a woman. I have not read the book. And I intended to read it, but I fell ill. I was in the hospital for 6-7 days. Then I'm at home for last 6 days. This is the first time I have come out. It is written by a lady, about a lady, and the title is So What? That attracted me. That it is not a story of a victim. Victims don't say, so what? So I decided that I'll read it, and now I'll read it since she has told us the plot also. That makes me even more curious. Sonalji, there is a good news and a bad news. Bad news first, that we still have to go miles and miles and miles. We are thousands of miles away from the right destination. The good news is that we are moving in that direction, and at a very good speed. Things have changed all over the world. There are different religions. Put that map away, take another map, and start marking the places where women have less rights, less status. These are the same places. I promise you that. Now, since the mothers generally take this responsibility of bringing up the children. I think the responsibility of today's mothers is to make their sons different from their fathers. You can't change the father. It's too late. If he is tolerable, fine. If he is not tolerable, leave him. But you should make your sons different. They should respect their sisters. एक हम तो imbibe करते हैं biases. When we tell the son, little burn their children, अरे दे दो उसे वो टॉय, बहन है तुम्हारी, you are asking for compassion. When you tell the girl, दे दो, मेरी काफ में इतना दर्द हो रहा है, तो मैं बैठ गया, मैं उसके पैर ऐसे दबाने लगा. मैंने कहा शबाना, अब ये कोई दरवाज़ा खुले और कोई आ जाए तो मैं कसमें खाता रहूं कि मैं रोज इसके पैर नहीं दबाता, वो मानेगा. ये तो रोज पैर दबाती है? तो वो सब अलग बातें हैं. लेकिन अगर मुझे तकलीफ होगी और मुझे तकलीफ होती कभी, तो शी विल डू द सेम. तो ठीक है, फिर ये है इक्वालिटी. इक्वालिटी ये है कि हम दूसरे के लिए कुछ करने को तैयार हैं और दूसरा भी हमारे लिए कुछ करने को तैयार है. तो किस मोमेंट पे किसको ज़रूरत है, किसे झुक जाना है, किसे टाल देना है, ये रिलेशनशिप होती है. अब ऐसे थोड़ी यार वो पूरे आप तलवार लिए घुमा रहे हैं, वो भी ज़रूरी है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दुनिया बदल रही है. और
सोबोट टाइटल, क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं अभी? ओके. तो जब परी का कैरेक्टर हमारे सामने था, तो परी सबसे अहम बात अगर इस बुक में जो लिखी हुई है, दैट इज सो व्हाट इफ यू आर सब्जेक्टेड टू डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस, सो व्हाट if you are deserted by your husband, so what if your parents are not supporting your career ambitions, so what if you are a victim of sex tapes, so what if you are raped. So anything can happen to you, but it's in the mind that you have to first know how you treat yourself after that. So the book is the journey from victim to survivor. So whether you want to be a victim or you want to be a survivor of that particular incident which already happened, unfortunate incident. So it's a book of Pari's journey. Pari, being the protagonist, is quite an ambitious, financially independent girl. So what, nothing was as apt as so what as a title, because that's what the philosophy of the book is. So that's how the title came into.